What's up everyone, and how's it going? My name is Dan and this is the Evolved Jeepin channel. Today's video should be a fairly short video because on this video we're going to be taking a look at 3 simple accessories that you can add to the interior of your Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT. These 3 accessories are simple organizational solutions that do not require any tools to be installed. 2 of them are actually just simple click and place items, and then the 3rd one right here is a peel and stick installation. So not going to require any tools to do this, which is why this video is going to be fairly quick. The plan for this video is to install these, test them out, and then let you guys know my overall thoughts and opinions about them. These 3 accessories are all available from a brand called JK Cover, which is actually an Amazon brand. So as usual guys, what I will do is put the links for all 3 of these items in the description below. And at the end of this video, if you're interested in purchasing any one of these items, all you have to do is click on that link and then you can order yours today through Amazon. So let's go ahead and tell you guys what these accessories are. The first accessory that you see right here is actually their newest accessory. And what it is a storage bin that is designed to go under the front seat of your Jeep Wrangler. It is designed to clip onto the adjustment bar that you use to move the seat front and back. That is going to be really cool. I can't wait to see if this is actually something useful. The second accessory is this one right here. This is your center console Gearshift storage bin. This is designed to go in front of your gear shifter right below your dash. So I'm really excited to see if this is useful because for me, I definitely have limited space on that center console and I'm always looking for a place to store some other solutions. The last accessory, which is this one right here, is your, I guess it's like a storage bin hanging solution, and it is designed to mount right on the armrest just below it before the cup holders. All 3 of these accessories, I think, are actually going to be very valuable in a Jeep Wrangler because unfortunately, with the Jeep Wranglers and the Jeep Gladiators, the storage space in the front is very limited. So what we're going to go ahead and do is show you guys how to install all 3 of these accessories, and then what I'm going to do is test them out a little bit and come back to give you guys my review of all 3 of the items and let you guys know if they're actually worth purchasing. So the first item we're going to install is the under the seat storage tray. This is designed to mount underneath your seat on the adjustment bar that you use to move your seat forward and back. All you have to do to install it is you're going to take the end of the tray that has the wall on it and you're going to place it at the back and then slide it down into the bar. Once you've got it on the bar, you're going to then press one side down, pressing it in on the rails, and then start on the other side and press that side down. Once you've got that side, you're going to take the rubber pad that comes with it and simply slide it on to the tray with the little knob end at the front. Might be easier to do this before you install the tray, but I'm just showing you guys this way. So now that you got that, you now have a space to put anything you want. So for example, if I wanted to throw my phone under there just to keep it under there, I can easily do that, and then I can access it at any time. Overall, the tray is pretty nice. It's secure. It's not really going to go anywhere. To pop it out, I really have to push it out, so it really does stay in place and doesn't come off for any reason. See, yeah, it stays in place. It doesn't affect the adjustment of the seat. You can still do that without any issue. So that's really nice. Yeah, overall, I think this idea is actually pretty clever, and I might even need to get one for the passenger side. One thing to note about this is it will not work for powered seats. You do need to have the manual seats because if you have the power ones, you're not going to have this bar, so it's not going to work. So you do need to have the manual one. Now we're going to install the center console Gearshift storage bin. This is designed to mount right here on your center console at the base of your Gearshift and at the base of the dash. All you have to do to install this is simply go ahead and peel off the white paper from the backside of the double-sided tape. You're going to do that on both sides of the part. Once you've done that, you're then going to simply go ahead and take the part and slide it over your gear shift knobs. And then when you get to the base here, you're just going to simply click it into place. As you saw, I did not peel off the double-sided tape, and as a result, the part kind of floats around, doesn't really stick in place. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and peel off the double-sided tape, and then when you've done that, all you're going to do is simply press and hold this on the sides to secure it so that it doesn't move around. Overall, guys, I'm really impressed by the way this product looks. A couple things I like are the texture that they used is really close to the factory texture. There's a slight difference. This one is darker than this one, but that could be because this is brand new and this has been used and has been in my Jeep from day one. So possibly over time, this will fade to match it. But even though it looks different, it's not something you notice unless you're looking for it. As you can see, you can't even see that the part was added. It almost looks like it was there from factory. What I really like about this part is the fact that I've now got storage solutions on each side, so I can store my pedal commander right here. I can also go ahead and put my phone here. One of the problems I find with Jeep is there's no real place to put my phone. Most of the time I have it like sitting here, or I'm actually sitting on it, where with this, I can now simply put it here and I always have it in a safe place. I really like with this bin is that it's also not that deep. It's deep this way, but not that wide. So it's not going to affect your legroom in any way. So that's really nice. I also like that the fact that there's one on the driver's side and there's also one for the passenger side. Overall, guys, really happy with this product, and I personally think that Jeep should have had this on their Jeep from stock. This shouldn't have been an accessory that you needed to add. It should have been something that came on the Jeep. The last item we're going to install is the center console hanging storage bin. This is designed to mount right here in the center console below your armrest and above the cup holders. All you have to do to install it is simply pop open the armrest. Then you're going to take the part and you're going to simply slide it over the latches for the armrest. You just slide it over like that. Then once that's finished, all you have to do is close it up and the product is installed. Overall, the finish and the fit are pretty good. I like how they've contoured it or profiled it to match this design. I like how the textures are really close. You barely notice it there. No complaints on that. The only thing that I'm noticing right away is that this little bin is taking a little bit of space from the cup holder from above. I'm not sure if that's really going to affect it, but I know for a fact when I'm putting in a large soda or pop in this thing, like a fountain drink, I usually need all of the space. So I'm wondering if this is going to affect it in another way. Besides that, I think it's really useful. I think there's some useful ideas here. You could throw your keys in there. That's always a great thing because I never know where to put my key, even though I'll probably end up putting my key there all the time. But this would be another good place. Again, not sure if it'll work with the cup holder. So in my opinion, this one is a little bit questionable. I don't know if this is one I'm going to keep just because I'm concerned about that cup holder. But the other two, I really think they're worth it. I love this one. I love the fact that I have two spots right here. Definitely going to be using that for my phone and for some, obviously, holding the pedal commander. And of course, the one under the seat, I think is a great addition as well because that was a space that was never used. But now I can simply just put anything under there and store it. As I said, I'll probably get another one for the passenger side, so there's a tray available there. So guys, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video was going to be a short one. And the reason is because, as you can see, installing these three accessories was super easy to do. And in the last section, I kind of gave you guys my overall thoughts and opinions. but to summarize it, the two products that I think are really useful and probably should have been included from Jeep in the beginning are the center console Gearshift storage bin. I think that's a great accessory and definitely gives you the storage options you should have had from Mopar. And then the other option is the under the seat storage bin. This is one of their newer items, and I have to say it was a super clever idea. Honestly, I was kind of hesitant in it. I thought maybe, you know, putting that there would lead to the fact that things would pull out, but because the bar is kind of shaped, it kind of prevents things from falling out when you're stopping. So I actually really like it. And for me, it takes the idea of a useless space and turns it into something useful where you can actually put stuff to store. So really like that, and I'm probably going to go ahead and purchase one for the passenger side so that I have the option to store things under that seat as well. The third item, which I did say I didn't like, but that doesn't mean it's not a bad product, was the hanging center console bin. For me, I think this product does have some use, but the way it blocks the cup holder is a little bit of concern. So for now, I'm probably going to end up rocking that for a little bit longer just to test it out. I'll probably find out if I like it or not on my next long road trip. And that mostly because that's when I buy those big, large sodas and put them in there. So that's going to be something we discover then. But overall, all three of the items are useful. I just think two of them are a little bit better just because of that little flaw. So again, guys, if you are interested in any of these three items, all you have to do is click the links below and you can pick up yours today from Amazon. And you know, of course, they are on Amazon Prime, so you'll have them in the next day or two, depending on your location. If you guys have any questions about these three items, feel free to comment below and I'll do the best to answer them. I don't think you'll have much because they are simple products to install, and overall, you know, this video probably showed you exactly what they do. As usual, guys, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Keep evolving, and we'll see you guys on the next video.